Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Alfred with V Twin Skinz, Miami's go-to shop for high-end custom vehicle wraps. Today, we're diving into a mirror wrap showdown. Two different installation techniques, one clean finish. But which one comes out on top? Stick around to the end and see if you can spot the difference. So we started on the passenger side mirror. Here, I'm using the traditional two-piece application. This method relies on our knifeless tape, keeping the vinyl perfectly aligned with zero stretch. The key here is precision. Every cut, every edge has to sit flawlessly or the entire look suffers. This method is reliable, tested, and what a lot of installers trust when they want consistency. Notice how deliberately I am working, making sure that the material lays flat without tension. This keeps the wrap from lifting or distorting over time. By the end of this side wrap, we have a clean and professional finish, exactly what you'd expect from a shop that specializes in custom wraps right here in Miami. Now, let's take it up a notch with the driver's side mirror, where I am using the Wrapeeze tool. This tool is designed to make tight corners and curved surfaces faster and more efficient, especially with the tricky spots like mirrors. Again, I am sticking with that two-piece install. I did use that knifeless tape. But with the Wrapeeze, you'll notice that I can glide through the process more smoothly. This tool saves a lot of time, reduces the chance of overstretching, and still delivers that sharp, seamless look clients love. If you've ever wrapped a mirror before, you know how frustrating this can be. And with the Wrapeeze, it gives you installers another level of control.
let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Raise your hands up high, oh yeah. Feel the magic in the air, the air. Every beat we get to share, let's share. Euphoria everywhere, oh yeah. Dance, dance, dance. Let's lose control, 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 control. Lose yourself, just feel the flow, the flow. All together, hearts on show, on show. We're unstoppable, let's go, let's go.
So here's the big question. Looking at both mirrors side by side, do you see a difference? Both the traditional two-piece method and the Wrapeeze assisted method came out clean, tight, and professional. But sometimes the real difference is in the process. How much time and effort it takes to get there. Let me know in the comments which side do you think looks better? And if you're an installer, which method do you prefer? If you enjoyed this Mirror Wrap Showdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more pro wrap tutorials, and share this with anyone who loves car customization. If you're in the Miami area and want your vehicle wrapped by the best, reach out to us at V Twin Skinz. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.